Do you guys remember this hairstyle? I know you do. Before we can get into the 90s style, let's do hair prep. That means scalp prep too. I've got my avocado oil and we're gonna oil the scalp up. So my hair has actually been straight for probably two weeks now. And so I have to not only oil the scalp, but I really got to oil the ends too. My hair looks really good. I kind of felt bad crimping over this because it's soft. It's very movie. It still has a nice good shine. It's just my scalp is getting itchy, so I know pretty soon I'm going to want to wash it out regardless. So it was like the perfect time to do crimps. Okay, you guys, it was like 10 o'clock at night on a Friday. I'm tired. It was a long week. Overtime. I didn't really put too much effort into the parting. I know they're uneven. Please give me grace. Thank you. Now, the twisting part was a lot easier. You know what baffled me? I was able to twist this without pain, without pulling, without pressure. When I remember my mom doing this to my hair, it hurt. It hurt real bad, and I could not like blink my eyes for a couple days because of how tight she was twisting it, and I couldn't understand why until I saw the results of my hair. It didn't come out as cute as I wanted to because I didn't twist it that tight, but whatever. But when I tell you I was tired when I was doing this, I was tired by the end of the week. Ugh. But even though I was really tired Friday evenings, they are my favorite evenings because I know the next day I don't have to wake up early, and I think that is a gift in itself, especially if I'm not working overtime. But please forgive my eyes if they're just like wandering all over the place because I was sleepy. Yes, it was dinner time, and there goes that man. He over there bothering me. I'm trying to hurry up. He see I'm tired, and he just chit-chatting away. I don't mind, but I was just trying to be one-track minded so I can hurry up and get to sleep because I gotta wake up early the next day to go to work. But this is a really quick, really simple hairstyle. I think if you have young girls, whether it was the 90s, the early 2000s, or late 2020s, it's a perfect style for your girls, for your kids. I think my daughters would love it. They kept complimenting me when I finished it. All I had to do was finish the crimps and I was done. Dude, I can't lie. I love the Timo Rovi, but as much as I love it, it is heavy. Well, the one that I got, I can't recall. I believe you can get like different sizes, and I got the biggest one because look, I didn't want to be sitting here all day trying to crimp my hair. But I can't lie, I do think some smaller Rovi crimps would be super cute, but I just would have to find somebody dedicated to doing it to my hair because with the way my life is set up, I'm too busy. I am too busy. I did this hairstyle in about an hour, and that was as much extra time I had. Anyways, do you guys like my cherry pajamas? I love them. They're so cute. They're so soft. They're Juicy Couture. I think I got them from Ross or something, but love them. And I think I'm going to start just wearing more pajamas like this, like sets, because of how cute they are. It was really cute. Like my daughters compliment my pajamas and they were complimenting my hair, and I was like, y'all got me feeling like I'm just $1 million about to go to bed. And it was so cute, and I want to get them some too because I don't like being just cute by myself. If I'm cute, they should be cute too. That's how I feel. That's my pleasure. All time, and I could not wait to put all this stuff away, get cleaned up, just to put my bonnet on and lay down and go to sleep. Because that's exactly what happened as soon as I finished my hair. I had no time to do nothing else, okay? I got my girls right, I got them together, got them ready for bed, and then, of course, cleaned up the mess I made doing my hair, and then I went to sleep. And it wasn't great sleep either. It was not good sleep. But anyways, you guys, Please tell me, what do you think? Did I do a good job? I know the parting could have been better, the twists could have been tighter, but otherwise, I think it was a cute hairstyle. Spoiler alert, I only left it up for about 2 days because those rubber bands are itching my head, so they have to go ASAP. But it still looked cute when I took them down. I can't explain it. That's all I got for today, guys. Bye!